Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video, I will talk about internet computer price prediction and internet computer news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for internet computer in 2022. Internet computer is the world's first blockchain that runs at the speed of the internet with unlimited bandwidth. It represents the third major innovation in blockchain technology after Bitcoin and Ethereum, a blockchain computer that scales smart contract calculations and data, produces them at the speed of the internet, processes and stores data efficiently, and provides powerful development frameworks. By making all this possible, Internet Computer allows the next step to completely rethink software. It provides a revolutionary new way to build tokenized internet services, industry-wide platforms, decentralized financial systems, and even traditional enterprise systems and websites. The project was founded in October 2016 by Dominic Williams and aroused significant interest from the crypto community. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Internet Computer. Infinity Foundation launches $215 million grant to boost developer ecosystem. Infinity Foundation is boosting its developer ecosystem with a $215 million grant. This is to help further the development of decentralized applications, dApps, on the Internet Computer blockchain. Over 115 teams have benefited from this grant and more are expected to do so as time goes by. Nusk sat down with Lamesh Dutta, Vice President of Growth at Infinity Foundation, to talk about the Internet Computer Developer Ecosystem Program, how it's distributed, and the impact it has had on the blockchain since inception. Nusk: why was the Developer Ecosystem Program set up? Lamesh Dutta: the Swiss francs 200 meters, $215 million Internet Computer Developer Ecosystem Program is a resource that helps developers finance the building of decentralized apps, dApps, tooling, and infrastructure on the Internet Computer. The Internet Computer is the world's first blockchain that runs at web speed and can scale without bound. These capabilities empower developers to design new applications and tooling without being hindered by proprietary infrastructure or the limitations of conventional blockchains. The ecosystem program is designed for entrepreneurs, developer teams, and community members, supporting the growth of a new ecosystem of dApps and services on the open, decentralized web. The grant program is designed to offer non-dilutive financing in the form of developer grants to teams building on the Internet Computer. I think the best way to look at the grant program right now is not the amount funded, but rather by the number and the quality where developers freely shared their open source software frameworks on the internet without relying on technology giants such as Amazon and Facebook, or servers and commercial cloud services. The integration of Bitcoin and Ethereum introduced this time will replace bridges, which malicious developers often use to get into the network. Internet Computer will first release the Bitcoin integration in Q1 2022 as part of the Chromium Satoshi release. And an integration plan with Ethereum will be released in the third quarter of 2022. The integration will use chain key encryption to add smart contracts to the Bitcoin blockchain, preventing malicious attacks. In a roadmap post on January 29, Infinity Product Director Diego Prats stated that the primary purpose of this project is as follows. 1. Making powerful smart contract functionality available for Bitcoin transactions. 2. Enabling Bitcoin transactions with fast finality and low transaction cost. The specific measures for the integration plan with the Ethereum chain have not yet been disclosed. According to CoinMarketCap, its native token, the ICP token, is currently the 34th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, with a market cap of $3,758,410,403. At the time of writing, ICP was trading at the price of $18.81. Next news: Apple Pay and Google Pay to become unusable with cards from sanctioned Russian banks. Customers of 5 sanctioned Russian banks will be unable to use their cards to pay with Apple Pay and Google Pay, the Central Bank of Russia said. The banks in question include banks under the VTB Group, Sovcombank, Novacombank, Promsvyzbank, and Okriti, per the announcement. The banks have all been sanctioned by Western governments following Russia's attack on Ukraine. The announcement added that holders of cards from these banks will be unable to use them outside Russia and when shopping on e-commerce platforms that are registered in the country supporting the sanctions. The central bank stressed that cards and other payments from the sanctioned banks, as well as from all other banks, will continue to function normally inside Russia. In Moscow, some residents were already lining up at ATMs yesterday to withdraw cash, as fears grew that withdrawal limits would be imposed in Russia, the Wall Street Journal reported. The news could provide yet another boost to Bitcoin, BTC, crypto adoption both in Russia and elsewhere, as residents learn about its properties as censorship-resistant money. Google and Apple have not yet commented on how the sanctions will affect their payment services. In a speech on Thursday, however, US President Joe Biden said about the sanctioned banks that every asset they have in America will be frozen, and the West will limit Russia's ability to do business in dollars, euros, pounds, and yen to be part of the global economy. Other than the US, the European Union, United Kingdom, Japan, and Australia have all said they will implement sanctions against Russia, including the freezing of assets held by Russian financial institutions. The EU is also in talks to freeze the assets of Russia's President Vladimir Putin and Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov in response to the invasion of Ukraine, Euronews reported. However, freezing these assets is a move more symbolic than actually punitive. Today we will discuss the Internet Computer Price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The rate of cryptocurrency is one of the most important factors to consider. Whether Internet Computer will survive in the next few years is unknown, but based on analytical data, we have made forecasts for the near future. Internet Computer Course Forecast 2022. ICPs have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Internet Computer, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $25.15. ICP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $22.45, a minimum price of $21.82, and a maximum price of $25.15. ICP rate prediction 2023. The cost of Internet Computer will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. ICP is expected to top out at $37.93 by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Internet Computer will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average ICP price will be between $32.36 and $33.26 expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum ICP price ranges from $32.36 to $37.93 for 2023. Internet Computer Rate Forecast 2024. The current price range of Internet Computer may be of interest to many traders, and therefore ICP could reach $56.09 by 2024 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $47.85 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. ICP Price Prediction 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Internet Computer price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ICP price will rise to around $72.27 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $78.34 with a minimum price level $70.36. ICP Price Prediction 2026.